Kabam! Gooey, ooey cheese. Today we're going to be making a baked bagel omelet. What is that? It's an omelet with a bagel baked into one magical thing, and it's perfect for breakfast on the go. What you're going to need is a nice doughy bagel. You can use a little scrawny one, but you want that big plumpy doughiness because you're gonna fill it with all these omelet fillings. So what you're gonna do is split it in half, and then you're gonna take out little pieces. What you could do is save these little bits because you don't want to waste it. You paid for it. I'm going to make breadcrumbs out of them for dinner. Great activity for the kids if you have some. I don't. Just do it myself. And don't worry if you break it or tear it by accident, just take another part of its dough and squish it back like a little, I don't want to say Band-Aid. No, that's just nasty. Like a little tape. So continue on both sides. Also, another great tip is to use a bagel that has flavor, like onion, everything. Okay, now that we're done, what I'm gonna do is fill it with my favorite omelet toppings. I have some diced ham here. You wanna make sure it's diced to little pieces because then every bite, you get a little bit of ham. Then I'm gonna add some vegetables because I'm a responsible adult. Some diced bell pepper. I like to mix up the colors. Some red, some green. I like red more because it's a little sweeter. Trust me, this is the hardest part of making this breakfast. Everything else is super easy. Then I'm gonna add some scallions or green onions, whatever you like to call them. Okay. And then we're gonna make the egg mixture because an omelet is an omelet. You need eggs. Whisk it up. Add some salt and pepper. And you want to do it in a measuring cup because it has a little spout and it'll help you while you're pouring it out. That rhymed. And now pour it in. Be careful when you're pouring it in. Make sure it doesn't spill everywhere. But if it does, don't worry. That's why the foil's there. I'm gonna pop this in the oven, 400 degrees for about 12 minutes. The egg should be set and your sides should be nice and golden brown. Bye! All right, so this is after 12 minutes, and we're just going to top it off with some sharp cheddar cheese, because who doesn't like cheese in their breakfast sandwiches? And I'm gonna pop these back in the oven and let that cheese get nice and melty. It's only gonna take about 3 more minutes, and then breakfast is served, guys. So now these are ready. They're nice and set. The cheese has melted. No jiggle. No jiggle means eggs are cooked. You can serve this for 4 or you can just have 2 very generous portions. So then we can top it off like so. Be careful, it is very hot. Look how cute this is. You would just think, oh, it's a regular bagel. Oh no, so much more. I'm gonna cut it in half. Kabam! Gooey, ooey cheese. It's amazing. It smells super cheesy. I'm gonna plop this here. Nice and eggy, you see the layers. The egg actually melts into the bagel itself, so it's just heavenly. I'm gonna give this a quick taste. This is awesome. I feel like I'm gonna be set up for breakfast, and I'll see you next week. Bye, guys. Ooh, so hot. Yum.